Jeffrey Dahmer, a seemingly ordinary man, harbored a terrifying secret that would shock the world. Between 1978 and 1991, he murdered and cannibalized 17 young men and boys, earning him the nickname the Milwaukee Cannibal. Dahmer lured his victims with promises of friendship and intimacy, only to drug, strangle, and dismember them in his apartment. He kept their body parts as gruesome trophies and even engaged in necrophiliac. But to the outside world, Dahmer appeared unassuming, allowing him to avoid suspicion and continue his horrific killing spree. It was untended until a would-be victim escaped and alerted police that Dahmer's true nature was finally revealed. The shocking discovery of his apartment filled with body parts and evidence of cannibalism stunned the nation. Dahmer's chilling ability to maintain a facade of normally raises disturbing questions about the depths of human evil and the nature of deception.